Hi, I just want to remind both students and parents where you can find valuable resources as the semester is coming to an end and we have the Unit 7 test coming up on Monday. If you click here, you will find an answer key to the Try These from Lesson 1, and behind it you'll find a tutorial as I go through each one of the questions. If we go on to same for lesson 2, we've already gone through each of the 4 lessons. Lesson 4, I'll talk a little more in detail about, was the most difficult, but they've already watched a lesson. They have a packet with both the homework, which should be done, and an answer key. To try these problems are problems that help students and myself to ensure that students have a long-term understanding of material. So in lesson 2, again, here are the answer keys. We went over the answers, but there's a tutorial. Lesson 3 and lesson 4 were definitely more difficult for students. And so I broke down the questions from the Try These into 3 separate categories. Again, here we could click on the Try These answers, but then I would walk students through in each of these videos how to do problems from 1 through 8, 9 through 18, and 19 through 24. Lastly, I believe that lesson 4 was the most complicated for students. And so for that reason, not only do students have the homework and an answer key, but I also went through problem 1, problem 6, 7, 9, and every problem on 10 through 17. Here, by clicking on this link, you will see how to do 1 through 8, how to graph the first question from the Try These, and then here would be the Try These answer key. So I would suggest students first click on the answer key, and if they have them right and they feel confident, there's no reason for students to go back and watch the tutorials on how to answer them. Students on Friday were given the Unit 7 review. Here would be the front side and the back side as an answer key, and then down below are tutorials on how to go through each problems. I did offer tutoring on Saturday, both in the afternoon and the evening, and students asked for a couple additional problems like 14 and one like 16. So you will see these were not particularly on the review, but it is additional problems to help students out. If you have any questions, feel free to